love, exciting and new. Come aboard, we're expecting you.
Shut up!
Oh.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Playmo YT toy review. Today we're taking a look at item number 9216, the Cruise Ship Officers Duo Pack. Look at this. I didn't even know these existed. I remember the cruise ship coming out, which was not that long ago, but I never saw these guys. And I figured, why would they even make an entire crew? That ship was not that big. But anyway, I recently subscribed to CBS All Access, which is now Paramount Plus, and they play the entire series of The Love Boat, which was a dramatic sitcom of the late 70s and on through the 80s, and it was one of my favorite shows. So of course I've been watching this show, and I saw these, and I instantly had to get them, without any hesitation. So here we are. For all I know, we're looking at Gopher and Julie. I mean, why not? That kind of resembles them. However, I don't recall them wearing dark colored pants, at least not regularly. Isaac the bartender was probably the only exception. In several episodes, he's wearing a red crop tuxedo jacket with black pants. Could be another color if he wore like the baby blue jacket. It doesn't really matter because I have no desire to change the parts around, but I have made my own Isaac figure, so stick around and I'll throw him into the video. So looking at the package head on here, we have our Julie figure wearing a blazer and a skirt. She's holding a clipboard, I guess. Perhaps it's the roster of passengers with their assigned ship cabins. Then over to the right is Gopher. He was often wearing white shorts and was the more comedic character of the Love Boat crew. He was actually my favorite character out of the whole bunch, but here he is, waving to all the attractive female passengers coming on board. Anyway, we have the Playmobil brand logo on the top left, followed by the suggested age range printed in the center. The item number is this corner, and then moving down we have choking hazard warnings printed in French and in English, as well as the number of items included in the set, which would be 5 pieces here. You've got the figures, the clipboard, binoculars, and the rubber band that acts as the strap for the binoculars. Looking at the back, we have more of the choking hazard warning printed in more languages, the barcode, set number, picture instructions showing how the figures move. Now, the yellow sticker here is the clearance marker, put there by the store that sold this toy. And finally, we have the country of manufacture, and then the brand logos for Facebook and YouTube for even more Playmobil content. Enough of the packaging details, let's break these clickies free of their plastic prison, shall we? And here they are. I really want to make this guy Gopher. So to start things off with getting my own Love Boat crew, I happen to have another ship officer figure here that I switched heads and hair with to create my very own Dr. Bricker, or as he's commonly known, Doc. So here we have 3 characters. Now, it's November 2021, and this show ended in the late 80s, but there have been multiple reunions to the excitement of fans. Well, back in February this year, there was another reunion of the cast members on a Zoom platform for YouTube, and it was my first time seeing them since the early 2000s. The entire main cast was present for the event, and it was amazing. Sadly, since then, Gavin Macleod, who played Captain Stubing, passed away this summer. So finding these figures, in fact, is very special for me, even though they aren't purposely branded as those beloved characters from The Love Boat. Now, speaking of Captain Stubing, I have another figure that fits in perfectly with this bunch that I got secondhand, and here he is, the ship captain. Now, he looks nothing like Captain Stubing, who was bald. He didn't wear glasses. I don't plan on customizing this figure, so it'll do as our beloved TV ship captain in spirit. Notice he's wearing white pants, but wore a white shirt on the show. And yes, that cap actually belongs to one of the policeman clickies. And while we're on the nautical theme here, I have the series 19 Fishermen, which may actually be my favorite clicky of all time. And then there's the series 14 Sailor. So yeah, seeing these all together is pretty cool. But wait, there are 2 remaining characters from the Love Boat. There's Vicki Stubing, the captain's daughter, but we don't have the necessary parts to build her. But we recently made Isaac, the bartender with his horseshoe mustache, contagious smile, and those smooth threads to round out our current Princess Cruise staff. But anyway, let's not forget that this video is about our cruise officers here. Right now, these are my latest clicky obsession, at least until I can get my hands on some Series 20 figures. But these here are really cool, and I've enjoyed putting this video together for you. Who has the actual cruise ship set? Do you have the officers? Comment below. Guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, smash that like button, hit subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and we will see you again soon, right here on Playmobil YT.